Greetings, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, like sisters, comments, new subscribers, old subscribers, and just generally anybody who watches these videos. Welcome back. Incoming! So yesterday, this being Thursday, yesterday being Wednesday, Storm Agnes decided to roll through Northern Ireland and Ireland. And it was not fun, let's say that. I know a few guys down south were absolutely battered by it, and generally nothing happened down there, and it was like 80 mile an hour winds or something at one point, 90 mile an hour winds, which is bloody insane. Cement lorry, forgetting how to cement lorry. Yeah, it was bloody insane. Came up north. It was quite windy. It was at times really, really freaking windy. And the rain was torrential at times. Now, why are you up his backside if you're going to start brake checking everybody else? Squirrel. So, coming home from work yesterday, it was a bit windy. It wasn't too bad. I think there's a bit of a lull in it. And, just as I got to the house, it just let rip with rain, and it was that rain where it was big drops. It was almost getting hit by water balloons. And I got drowned even before I got into the house. So yeah, it was fun. Right into the mayhem. So yeah, the last sort of 5 minutes of my journey, which is probably part of this motorway and then just normal streets, was just a blur of rain. The old jacket got thrown up against the radiator and the heating turned on. That's how you know it's winter. And I just sat and did nothing all night. You waited to the last second, it's not my fault. To the point our recycling goes out on a Thursday and we normally leave it out on a Wednesday night. And that fecker wasn't being left out until this morning. Yeah, there was no way in hell I was coming out. You could hear the wind howling and everything. Should just start calling this motorway life. I'm actually glad now I proposed when I did, because we got the news there on Saturday morning, Saturday morning, that Lisa's granny had passed away at hospital. It sounds so selfish to say that I'm glad she got to see the ring and to see her happy, but now everybody's on full funeral duty. Everybody's doing their bit to get it done. We bury her on Monday, so I'm off on Monday, and then it's weird how life works at times, because I'm off work on Monday for the funeral, because I'm obviously going to be there for Lisa and stuff and to pay my respects, but on Friday I'm off again to go to a wedding. So yeah, life works in mysterious ways. Aqua Force. To be honest, I wouldn't have a company that's called Aquaforce and be the complete building company. It would be like aquariums and lakes and stuff, and ponds. People in NI are just little lane hoggers. Ah, good man. couple of storms a year and they buy a 4x4 that's so big a tank couldn't even rival it. Good man, reflect glass. You can see me while you move at the last second. Oh, jeez. Just have to dawdle my way through. So I think I'm going to try and get to the Motorcycle Live event this year. Just because I seem to make it a thing now, and I can vlog it. It's too late now, don't fucking try and move out of my way. Yeah, so I think about going. I'm going to say to Lisa, see if she wants to go. It seems cheap enough at the minute. Seems cheap enough at the minute where I could take two of us and not break the bank. Plus, be a nice wee trip away for a couple of days. Not to see Birmingham, to see bikes, but fortunately Birmingham is the place you have to go to do it. I thought you were glitched there for a second. You bad little camera. Gonna need to upgrade the camera soon, because she is starting to show signs of old age. And I think at this point she's the first generation. Ghost S. Either that or freaking find a Ghost S that's new out of the box and cheap enough I would take it. Fucking monkey brains. I would take it, you know, just to get a fresh chip, microchips. Because these ones are a bit old and abused. I'm actually going to be that guy. You're trying to. But we'll see. We'll see what the funds allow at some point. Because it's not really important. It is winter, so nobody will be watching the videos over winter. Everybody will be out riding their bikes. Everybody will be out riding their bikes in the winter. Don't think so. What are you braking for, you numpty? But we will see. Mr. Yellow BMW guy waved, so I nodded back. And pissed her off. Well, do you know what? Don't reverse, you donut. Person crossing the road and the car's reversing. So he is. You point at me and break our finger. So yeah, a lot of things happening again in between videos, so I hope all are well. I hope if you're getting your bike packed away for the summer or away for the winter, you get it done properly, get it nice and clean. Use MB14. If you haven't, try it. You will not be disappointed. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't spam here. We're doing pretty well with the videos. We're getting them out. We're getting ones recorded. We're getting ones ready, and all this here. And look, you can have your high beams on all you want. It's not going to change my mind. Don't forget, keep it lit. And if you can't keep it lit, you know, just keep plugging away. She's still got her high beams on. Oh no, she's telling me off.